Hey guys, it's Grace Naps here. Today I'm going to be recreating my old cakeroll squishy. It's a homemade squishy and it looks very bad. Which is why I have this idea of remaking it. And I've seen people like squishy YouTubers online do it and I think it's super entertaining. So I think I should try one as well. It looks so bad that you don't even want to look at it. It's this one right here. It looks super bad. I think I made this like what 3, 5, 4 years ago when I was so young. So it looks very bad. It's obvious that I did not put much effort into making this. I don't even know why I decided to use neon colors to paint on the foods. The sponge is not cut nicely, perfectly. Since this was made with cosmetic sponges, I decided to use the same sponge to recreate this squishy, just so that it's fair. Without further ado, let's just get started recreating them.
So I start off by gluing pieces of cosmetic sponges together, just so that it's thick enough to turn into a cake roll. Next, I use double-sided tape to tape another separate piece of sponge to the thick layer of sponge that I've just glued together. And I pull the separate piece of sponge out. This will leave the sponge looking super textured. And remember how we did not have a textured surface for our old piece of cake roll creation. So we are here to do the opposite, give it the super textured look. And I'm here bringing in the old creation to, really observe what I'm really missing and how I should shape the sponge. So thank you for existing, even though your existence really did not make me happy and proud. And next, I cut it according to the outline. And we are still not giving enough texture to the cake roll, so we are here pulling out pieces of sponge out from the sides of the cake roll. So, unlike the old creation, we need to have a 3-dimensional cream filling. So I'm here using a template to really mark out the cream filling shape that I will cut off later. And lastly, I just paint it with the colors that it will end up looking like, which is yellowish white for the cream filling, light yellow color for the cake part. I don't know what goes on my mind, but I just randomly think of attaching an eye pin to the cake roll, and so there you go. You see a weird action right there. Next, I use pencil to draw on some fruit-like shapes. I use different colored paint to paint on the fruits. I also add a little bit more details to the fruits by creating a few pattern and lines here and there, using a darker color of different hues to add on the shading. After adding all that details, I realized that, it's really not looking as cute right now because of the details. It's overwhelming. And now it's up to you guys to choose whether I should paint on the details for the other side. So looking at the final product, it's obvious that my squishy making skills have improved quite a bit. And I'm actually super happy with how it turns out.
Comment down below what do you guys think about the recreation. Do you guys like it or do you guys hate it? So if you guys are interested in more of this type of content, make sure you like this video and subscribe right below if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!